Spring is here. Summer is in the air. And you still have homework? It's not fair.
Not that cupboard!
Grown-ups think it's smooth sailing, but these teenage years can be so awkward. At least you know where to go for the latest scoop. Just pop into the kids' newsroom. And if you type without animal friends, then you'll dope out on our News of the Wild. Get your fam together for some extreme and slay the competition by roughing it out. Take time to throw some shade to the other team with an all-new cave quest. Stay connected with a whirlwind of excitement because HN9 is back and it's the GOAT. SABC2 in the afternoons. It just hits different.